Hi, Terry Kirkham from globalauctioneers.com. We're under instructions from Mr. Gavin Morton of Morton & Lee Insolvency in the matter of Allied Doctor Proprietary Limited in liquidation. Located in Eagle Farm in Brisbane, the online auction sale consists of industrial assets, motor vehicle, tyre, rim, engineering, powder coating, polishing and wheel changing equipment. In the auction sale we'll also too have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter delivery van. We have industrial engineering lathes, industrial air compressors, Toyota forklift, industrial rim baking ovens, floor mounted motor vehicle hoists. We have a 2021 ATEC rim straightener press lathe. We have twin post motor vehicle hoists, industrial tyre changing and fitting machines. We have a sort of pallet racking, various mobile assorted tyre stands, and a sort of equipment that will suit the mechanical workshop. The online auction sale will go live at globalauctioneers.com on the 27th of September and conclude on the 3rd of October. So don't miss out on this industrial auction at globalauctioneers.com from Eagle Farm in Brisbane.